Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Divinity candy. First, combine 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. While that heats, separate 2 egg whites into a large, clean mixing bowl. Ensure your bowl and beaters are completely grease-free for the best results. This initial setup is crucial for achieving the perfect Divinity texture. Once the sugar has dissolved, stop stirring and let the syrup boil. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking until it reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the firm ball stage. This precise temperature is vital for the candy structure. While the syrup cooks, avoid stirring it to prevent sugar crystals from forming on the sides of the pan. If crystals do appear, you can gently wipe them down with a wet pastry brush. Patience here will pay off with a smooth, glossy syrup. As your syrup approaches the target temperature, start beating the 2 egg whites on high speed until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Once the syrup reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. With the mixer still running on medium-high, slowly and carefully pour the hot syrup in a thin stream into the beaten egg whites. Continue beating for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the mixture becomes very thick, holds its shape, and loses its shiny appearance. This step creates the characteristic airy texture. Finally, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of your chosen chopped nuts, like pecans or walnuts. Work quickly, as the Divinity will start to set. Using 2 spoons, drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto parchment paper or a silicone mat. Allow the Divinity to cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or until firm. Store your delicious Divinity in an airtight container. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax while enjoying your homemade treats, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.